I know common sense ain't so common anymore, but it's our responsibility to face and embrace our current situation. We need to take ownership of our existing state. And if your existing state isn't what you want it to be, it's because of your operating system. What you're doing right now isn't getting you where you want to be. So fix it. If your phone is broken, let's say, the operating system isn't working, what do? You don't expect it to fix itself. No, you take it to your service provider, you take it to the eye doctor, you take it to Apple, you get it fixed. It's the same with your body. What you're doing right now, if it's not getting you where you want it to be, if you don't change it up, it's not gonna fix itself. You're not gonna magically, get visited by the Gaines gnomes and have them bestow upon you the gift of swole. It doesn't work that way. You need to change what you're doing. You need to change your direction. You need to change your operating system in order to change your outcome. If it's broke, fix it. If you don't know how to fix it, find someone who can. That's what I'm here for. All right? I'm here to help you fix your existing problems. I'm here to help you piece together a solution to get you from where you are in your existing state to where you ideally want to be. But I need for you to present to me the current facts. I need for you to tell me where you're at, where you want to be, and from there, we can get together and figure out the solution to your existing problem so that we can piece together the sensible, fastest acting way to get you out of your current state and into your ideal one. So here's what you're gonna do right now. You're gonna DM me by simply replying to this video right down below. You're gonna tell me what your existing state is, where you ideally wanna be, and what the deadline's gonna be for you to accomplish these goals. Once you do that, we can get to work.